Whitehall condominiums had 2 small natural gas generators that we were maintaining for them. And post Sandy, one of those generators had had enough and it quit. So they knew that they had to do something to upgrade their backup power system. They had contacted us, drew up a set of plans, and put it out for pricing, and we had quoted them the replacement of the generator. They had 2 small 30 kW gensets there now, both of which were older Onan gensets, and we were going to replace this with one new 100 kW natural gas genset to pick up the existing loads and the additional stuff that they wanted in the building. Currently, they had no domestic hot water system on the genset, so they had no domestic hot water, and the lighting in the hallways was minimal at best. The boiler room wasn't picked up. They came to us, and with the set of plans, we modified the design a little bit to make it a little bit better system than what they had, and wound up installing a new 100 kW natural gas genset for them, a Cummins Onan genset.
Okay.
In the electrical room, we had to install a new 400 amp main breaker, a transfer switch, an emergency distribution panel at 12240, and then a transformer to make that into 208, and also a 12208 volt panel. Little congested in the electrical room, but we were able to find a way to get all of this equipment in and meet all of the requirements of the National Electrical Code. We're craning the genset into place. Because of the layout of the property, we had to bring in a rather large crane. That's a 140 ton rated crane to make the pick because of the distance from the crane to where the genset pad was going to be. So we had to crane it up and over the building, over a section of the building and a section of the parking deck. We couldn't put the crane up on the deck because the deck wouldn't support the weight of the crane. And then when we were all finished, we did the final testing, and the authority having jurisdiction came in, and we passed all of our final tests. We picked up all of the hallway lighting, the elevators, the domestic hot water heating system, fire alarm, their card access system, a lot of this stuff which was not on the old generators.